Alright people, let's have a look how to register in RM Circle. So I've created a new wallet, I've backed it up already, and I've added Polygon. RM Circle works with Polygon. So there was a huge increase. You can see that 12% in Polygon. All the cryptos today, there was a huge increase in them, in their values. So you will need 362 Polygon to register, and plus a little bit of extra for gas fees, for the transaction fees, but that's the minimum. When we started it was $27. We only work on the premium tier. There's two different tiers in RM Circle. There's the standard tier and the premium tier that we are working on. So the standard tier is 181 Polygon and the premium tier is 362 Polygon, but you do need that extra little bit of gas fees. So I have already copied the link. So in SafePal, you're going to go to the Explore tab or the D app. You will see that they recommend MetaMask, but SafePal is working perfectly. And we're going to paste the link at the top. And because it is in Polygon, you must make sure that the Polygon network is selected. If it's the first time you register, it will be under Ethereum. So just change it to Polygon and then press go. Confirm your link, your referral ID number is correct that you received, and press go at the top, and then when you get to this page, press connect. Now here, don't get confused. You're using SafePal wallet, but choose MetaMask. Right, then it says wallet connected. Alright, now you're just going to scroll up. It is correct referrer. And just wait for it to come up. Oh yeah, enter. That's correct. Select premium. You can see the difference between standard is 181, premium is 361, not 362, 361 Polygon. And then enter circle and you confirm the transaction. It's been submitted. Alright, so there it is, there it shows 362. So that there's not even 1 cent difference. Right, so there we go. Let's see what is this, the number. Okay. There's the levels, different levels. Very. Oh, there's it, 166. So this is still a fairly new platform. So you saw what it's costing, and the thing is that you only have to refer to directs only, ever. And the potential is to accumulate up to close to 900,000 US dollars in Polygon. And you obviously saw how the increase in Polygon, that will even increase your potential earnings as well. Alright, so if you interested in joining or want to know more, kindly reach out to me in the chat. The link will be in the chat and my WhatsApp link as well. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly subscribe and like so you can get more updates about the different platforms that we are involved in. Thank you very much. Bye bye.